Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a shadow text in Canva. So what you need to do is open your Canva and you can use a blank page like this first, and then you can add your own text. For example, I want to add this text, and after that, okay, I'm going to make it big. You can change the color. Okay, I'm going to use this one, and after that change the font into Genthy, or you can use your own favorite font. And after you change the font, copy the text into 3, 2 and 3 like this, and change the other two colors in with bright and also dark colors. So I'm going to just use this and also um this. And then after that, if you have change the color, change the one of the text with the effect hollow effect. So I'm going to use this one as the hollow effect. Go to effects and find hollow. This one's right here, and then you can adjust the thickness into your liking, for example like that. And then after that, just align the text. So you can just go with this, for example. So there are like a shadow in it here, and then after that you can just go backward, and you can add this text now. Okay, so you can make it as a group so that it will be a group as one when you move it like this. Okay. Okay guys, so that is how you can create a shadow text like this. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye!